In this video, I will show you how to find installed apps in laptop. So if you have installed an app on your laptop, but you can't find it, there's a couple of things you can do before trying to reinstall the app. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom, right click onto the Windows Start icon. From this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Installed Apps. Now what that's going to do is open a screen like this. From here, you can see if the app is installed on your computer, so you can scroll through your installed apps list, or if there's an app in particular that you're looking for, just use the search box at the top, and if you type that, you're going to see if it's installed in your PC. So if it is installed, to find this, what you can also do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and just simply type the name of the app into here. If it's installed, it should come up underneath Best Match, as you can see. And then what you can do is click to open up that particular app. Now, if you want to add this to your desktop to make it easier to find, then what you can do is use the search box again, type the name of the app that you want to add to your desktop, and once the app comes up, just right click onto it, click onto Open File Location, and it should open up the file location with the app installed. From here, what you can do is click to select the app, hold down your left mouse button on the app, and just simply drag and drop this onto your desktop, which is going to create a shortcut. So it's asking if I want to replace a file because I've already added this as a shortcut, but this is going to make it easier for you to find any installed apps in your laptop. So that is how to find installed apps in laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.